We just measured the center circle of our part in our readouts, and now we're going to capture the image of the part and annotate the image with the measured results. To do this, I click on the Archive tab in the readout. Now I have two buttons in the bottom of my readout, the Image Capture button and the Folder button, which will allow me to look at previously captured images stored in the readout. I'm going to push the Image Capture button. Now here's my captured image. All captured images are shown with a red outline around the video window of a part. Now I have additional icons at the bottom of the screen, a draw icon, a text annotation icon, a feature annotation icon to annotate my measured features onto the captured image, and I have my annotation characteristics icon, which will allow me to change the characteristics of the annotations on my video screen. I push this icon and I can change the size of the lines, the types of arrow or no arrows, or I can change how the pencil draw button works, and I can change the size of my text. I can change the background color, the line color, which I'll change to green, and my text color, which I shall change to blue. Then I push finish. Now I'm going to push my annotation icon for feature measurements, the XY icon. Over on the left you'll see a check mark next to circle 1. At the bottom of the screen I've got actuals, nominals, deviations, limits, and the graphical percent representation for my deviations from nominal. I'm going to leave this selected on actuals, and from my actuals list for the feature I've selected over on the right hand side, I'm going to take diameter, and after I select a diameter you'll see a check mark next to it. I'll take form. Then I've selected diameter and form. I now push the finish button. Now you'll see my feature annotation here with the diameter and form pointing to the center of my circle. What I'm going to do is click on the diameter, then click on this icon here, which is the move annotation icon, and drag it to a different area. Then I push finish once it's in the area of my choosing. I can also resize it by clicking on the resize icon and just drag the size of a box to make it larger or smaller. And again, I push finish to complete this. Now I'm going to add some text annotation by clicking on the text, and I've got three types of annotation: straight text, text in a box, and text in a box with a line. What I'm going to do is text in a box, and I'm going to key in training using shift to capitalize the T, RAING, space, and I select the number 1 from the numeric keypad on the right hand side and push finish. Now you'll see that my training 1 text annotation is overlaying my feature measurement annotation. So what I'm going to do is click on the text box, then I'm going to click on the move annotation icon and drag the text box to a new location of the screen. And to accept it, I push finish. Now here's my completed captured image with its annotations. What I'm going to do now is click on the folder icon, and in my folder I can see the images that I have stored in the readout. I can rename these images, copy these images from the readout to the flash drive using the C to A icon, or move them from the readout to the flash drive. By clicking on A, I can see the contents of a flash drive I have plugged in, and I can click on the images and I can view them. By clicking on the folder, it takes me back to my previous captured image which I was working on. This is how you capture images in the readout.